Look what I just received from Greenco, and this is a 3-tier paper document holder. And let me show you how it is to set it up. It's very easy to put together. You're going to get these 3 trays as well as these 2 side posts and these 3 posts as well, and also some screws in this bag. So let's put this together. So the first thing we're going to do is set aside these trays. So this is what they look like. And what we're going to do is get a screw and put it right here. And then we're going to get one of these posts and start twisting it a little bit, just like this. There you go, just like that. And now we're going to repeat the steps for the other areas. So we're going to have it right here. And so we're going to put it through. And then we're going to screw in the posts again. So simple to do. And now we're going to do the next one. And this is going to be great for all my office documents, and that way it's going to be organized. And I like that it's 3 tiers, and it also can pull out too. Definitely a plus. Okay, so as you can see, we did these 3 sides right here, and now we're going to repeat it on this side. And what we're going to do is get the screws and start twisting it. And these do have a Phillips handle, so we're going to use a Phillips screwdriver to finish this off. Of course, you can do some by hand. And there you go. Now I'm going to use my trusty Phillips head screwdriver to finish this off. Last one. Perfect. And now we're ready to slip the shelves onto these tier holders. So you're going to get it like this, and you're going to put the back side in first. So there's the first one. And here's the second one. And here's the last one. Perfect. I am all finished. That didn't take long at all. And it's nice because it has a carrying handle here as well. So if I want, I can carry it from my office to maybe my bedroom office area. You know, we have a desk there as well. So it's very versatile to use. Also, it slips out like this. So you're able to take it off, but it doesn't go the opposite way. So you're not going to accidentally push all your papers back. And it also has a mesh, and it's also rust resistant as well. Let me show you a close-up of what you're going to receive. Here's a close-up of what it looks like. Very nice. I am liking it, and I can see that it's very durable, and I'm going to be able to use this for many years to come. And you just slide it out like this, and you're also going to notice that it is texturized. So the papers are going to be on top of here. So it's going to be easy for you to slip off instead of it being straight on here. So it's nice that it's raised like that. And this is what the side of the mesh looks like. Very nice. And as you can see, it has a lip here. So your papers are not going to fall through. It's going to stay there in place. And to put it, you put the back end inside and you slip it on just like this. And as you can see, it does not go all the way because of this lip right here. And this is how nice it is. This set is so ideal for your office environment. Whether you work in an office or a home office, this is a great thing for you. Definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.